think investing is too complicated, but I promise you, investing is not for the rich, it's how you get rich. For example, if you invest just $75 a week for 10 years out of your entire life from the age of 20 until 30 years old, never invest another dollar, you could retire with over $1.7 million in free money. Now, why should you listen to me? A lot of you think investing is too complicated, but I promise you it is not. So I'm telling you, this is the year that you're gonna learn how to invest because you deserve more money. You deserve more freedom. So let's break it down in 3 simple steps. First things first, the stock market is simply where you can buy shares of companies. When you own a share or a stock in a company, you become a part owner. Your shares will grow in value when the company does well. And some companies will even pay you a portion of their profits. These are called dividends. That's right, this is money that you get simply for owning a stock. That's money that will just show up into your account. The stock market is the easiest way to build passive income. The stock market goes up and down a lot in the short term, but in the long term, the market as a whole has always gone up. That is why good investors hold their investments for 5 or more years and they diversify. Now, diversification is just a fancy way of saying don't put all your eggs in one basket. So instead of putting all of their money into one company, smart investors spread their money around different companies, different industries, and different countries. Now, buying all of these separately, that would be expensive, that would be extremely complicated, and that's why we simplify with something called an index fund. An index fund is a basket of stocks, okay, that can have hundreds or thousands of companies within it that you can get with a single click. If you want something even easier, and I love simple, you can do an asset allocation fund, which will have all 3 of these in it, right? US, international, and bonds, or a target date fund. These are the steps to actually get your money in the market. I'll pause here if you want to screenshot it. But essentially what you're going to do is open up an account with a stock brokerage. These are companies that give you access to the stock market. You want one that is low cost or no cost. I like Wealthsimple in Canada and Vanguard and Fidelity in the US. Think of this like opening a bank account. Then you're going to add money to this new account that you've opened. Then, once your money is in your new account, you are going to search for the ticker symbol or short form name of the investment that you want to buy. You do that right up here in the search bar. Then you're going to place your order for some shares. Then, once you have uninvested cash inside your account, you're going to set up for an order. I like to use market buy, which just means buying at the price the investment is right now. And then that's it. Then you are officially an investor. Now, I know this is a lot to cram into one short video, so if you want to dive deeper, I actually have a free 90-minute investing masterclass